Mabuhay ug madayaw everyone! My name is Leia Havana and together with my groupmates Tonilin Panansuro and Charesh Maestret, we will present our multimedia storytelling titled Tourism and the Law Protecting Travelers and Destinations. Tourism is not only about traveling, relaxing, and exploring beautiful places, because behind every successful tourism experience are laws and regulations that protect tourists, businesses, and the destinations themselves. In this presentation, we will show through a short story how law plays an important role in tourism management, from protecting tourist rights to ensuring that tourism businesses operate responsibly. So let us begin our story.
One day, a tourist named Anna traveled to a beautiful island in the Philippines. She booked a tour package online that included transportation, hotel accommodation, and island hopping activities. When Anna arrived, she expected everything to be well organized. However, she noticed some problems. The tour boat did not have enough life jackets, and the tour guide did not explain the safety rules before the trip. Anna felt worried because safety should always be a priority for tourists. Luckily, tourism businesses are required to follow safety regulations and standards set by the government to ensure that tourists are protected. These situations shows why laws are important in tourism management.
The importance of laws and tourism. Laws and regulations plays a very important role in tourism industry. They help to ensure that tourism businesses operate fairly, safely, and responsibly. Tourism businesses such as hotels, travel agencies, and tour operators have several responsibilities. They must provide accurate information, safe services, and fair treatment to tourists. For example, tour operators must follow safety standards, provide trained staff, and ensure that transportation and activities are safe. If businesses fail to follow these regulations, they may face legal consequences, penalties, or even closure of their operations. Because of these laws, tourists can feel safer while traveling.
So in many countries, the government regulates tourism activities through different agencies. In the Philippines, one of the main agencies responsible for tourism is the Department of Tourism. This agency helps regulate tourism businesses, promotes tourism destinations, and ensures that tourism services meet proper standards. There are also laws that protect consumers and tourists, ensuring that businesses provide the service that they promise. For example, if a travel agency advises a certain service but fails to deliver it, tourists have the right to file complaints or request compensation. This legal protection helps maintain trust between tourists and tourism businesses.
Another important part of tourism law is protecting the environment and cultural heritage. Tourism destinations such as beaches, mountains, and historical sites must be preserved so that future generations can also enjoy them. Because of this, there are laws that limit the number of tourists in certain areas, regulate waste disposal, and protect wildlife and natural resources. For example, if tourism activities damage coral reefs or historical landmarks, businesses may face legal penalties. By following environmental and cultural protection laws, tourism managers helps ensure that tourism remains sustainable and responsible.
Despite these regulations, legal problems can still happen in tourism businesses. Some common issues include contract disputes, safety accidents, and service complaints. For example, if a tourist gets injured during a tour because the company ignored safety rules, the business may be held legally responsible for negligence. This is why tourism businesses must follow contracts carefully and always prioritize safety and professionalism. Understanding legal responsibilities help tourist managers avoid problems and protect both tourists and their businesses.
As a future tourism professionals, understanding the law is very important. Tourism managers must know the rules and regulations and guide the industry. Legal knowledge helps tourism professionals make responsible decisions, prevent conflicts, and ensure that tourists receive safe and enjoyable experiences. So, it also helps protect tourism destinations, local communities, and cultural heritage. By understanding the law, we can help create a tourism industry that is safe, fair, and sustainable for everyone.
In conclusion, tourism and law work together to ensure that tourism activities are safe, organized, and responsible. Laws protect tourists, guide tourism businesses, and preserve the destinations that people travel to see. Without these legal frameworks, tourism could become unsafe and unregulated. Therefore, understanding tourism laws is essential for anyone who wants to work in the tourism industry.